Hey guys, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and today I am going to show you how I use my packing cubes to pack for my next trip. And I'm going on another vacation without him.
Is it really a vacation though?
Yes.
It's a vacation? I thought you were going to a wedding. A vacation?
Yes, it's a vacation.
Oh.
Anyway, I am headed off to Santa Barbara, California with my sister, and my cousin is getting married. So we are going there. We just got back from Frankenmuth. Hope you watched that video. I have to unpack that suitcase and pack for another one because I have one day between trips. And I did make a packing list, but I certainly haven't done anything except throw clothes aside. So I thought I would use tonight to show you guys how I do my packing cubes. You gonna miss me?
I'm gonna miss you, but I'm gonna sit over here and be a supportive husband and cheer you on because
Brian's gonna watch.
I'm not that great of a packer.
He doesn't know.
I can get the stuff back home once we're there, but to make it look nice and not wrinkle, I can learn a few things, so I'm gonna watch.
Okay, sit down. My arm's getting tired. Okay, so this is an interesting way of packing because I am going for a wedding. And then what do you have to do at a wedding? You have to dress up. You have to look nice. So, of course, that means packing a ton of dresses. So that's what I'm gonna go with first. I did bring this dress for the wedding, which is kind of already rolled up. I'm gonna roll it up a little bit tighter. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my large packing cube, compression cube. So this is a zipper that opens up so you can actually stuff things into it. But then it has another zipper, in this hand a gray zipper, and then it makes it bigger. So this is how I'm gonna stuff everything in. So I have the dress I'm planning to wear to the wedding. Let's face it, I have a backup dress because all women should when you're going to a wedding. What if a strap breaks? What if it doesn't look good? What if you get something on it? Whatever, we're not gonna deal with it. So, and then I also have two more dresses for different dinners I'm going to. So I'm gonna put those in there. And then I have a skirt and shirt option. I'm gonna throw those in there. And then I still have a little bit more room, so I'm gonna put more of my casual dresses in there as well. I was gonna put those in with my casual clothes, but we'll go ahead and put them in there. So the coolest part about compression cubes and packing cubes isn't just to put more stuff into your suitcase. I mean, that's the goal for sure. That's the best part, but really it's for organization. So like I said, for this trip, I need a lot of dresses. So I want one cube itself just to be for dresses. And then I want another cube just to be for casual wear. And then another one for bathing suits and unmentionable, so that way you just go ahead and go in your suitcase, you grab your bag, and you get out what you need. You don't necessarily have to unpack if you don't want to. Like, I know that anything dress-wise is going to be in this, and it's kind of perfect. So I do have a little bit of awkward space in there, so maybe I'll just kind of shove something in there, even it out a little bit, just to make the compression part easier. So this is just the normal packing cube. It is not compressed yet. There's still a little bit of room. I know it's going to be very easy to compress. So we're gonna take this zipper here, and I like to kind of keep my finger under the zipper so that it doesn't accidentally zip some fabric in. It's a little tougher towards the end, but this one was easy because it wasn't overpacked. So now it's so much smaller. This is the large size. It's gonna fit perfectly into my carry-on. I'll show you that in a little bit. Now we're gonna move on to the medium size, which is going to be for casual wear. I'm bringing one pair of like capri pants, one pair of shorts, and a couple of tops. Only for options, really. I don't know exactly everything that we're doing yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and put those in there. I just like to have options. I'm not very well prepared for this trip. Wait until you guys see me go on like a massive trip, because you're gonna be wowed. My last 2 packing trips, I've been kind of disorganized. I'm gonna go ahead and put the shirts in there. And then these 2 shirts. Now I still have a ton of room where, to be honest, I could totally throw this stuff in that packing cube if I wanted to. But again, I'm doing it for organization. So I'm gonna zip it up. Here it is, non-compressed. Go ahead and zip that up. And we have the medium one to compare large, medium. Perfect. So again, dresses, casual wear. And then we just have this last one. I'm going to use the smaller one instead. So unzip the compression, unzip the packet. I have a bathing suit, pajamas, all sorts of stuff. Just goes in there. Again, just like that. Zip it up and compress. Easy peasy. This I would say is the small, this I would say is the large, and this I would say is the extra large, because I had that extra one in there that I didn't use. So that's all my stuff, honestly, besides actually, you know, toiletries and that. So let's get the away suitcase out. Yes, I realize it's Brian's suitcase. If you saw our last video, we finally ordered this bad boy so that we could bring him now that it is expandable and it's blue and it's cute, and he's about to go on his first trip ever. So Brian's allowing me to borrow it. So we're gonna open it up, and on this side right here, I am going to put in a large guy, and you can see it has so much more extra space already. So I'm going to put in the large one, and I'm going to put in the small one, and I even still have a little bit more room for something else. Get in there. That one is done. I'm going to pack these shoes. I'm going to pack this cube on the bottom. Just like my Mexico packing video, I have toiletries that are non-liquid, any type of travel essentials, right there. You guys, Brian's literally asleep in the corner. Wake up!
Hi, YouTube.
He falls asleep all the time. Let's put you back up. Oh, that was good. That's gonna not even be a blooper. That's gonna go right in the video, Brian.
Good.
Are you saying my videos are boring?
Your beauty was just too bright. I just shut my eyes. I couldn't handle it.
Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and put those in there. And then I like to travel with a little bit of extra space because I'm probably gonna buy a bunch of stuff, to be honest. But I do think that I'm gonna go ahead and put my liquids in my carry-on. I don't normally ever do that because I like to put them in my backpack, but I do have pre-check and I'm allowed to. And I don't even think I'm gonna really wash my hair this trip, but I'm gonna bring everything anyway because you never know. That'll all go in there. And to be honest, you guys, that is it, except for my actual personal item, which will have electronics, like computer, my iPad. I have to bring my computer for editing. I have to bring my iPad because I am flying Southwest and they don't have seat back entertainment. And I'm in the middle of watching Outer Banks. I'm way behind in life and I'm gonna watch that. One thing that's a little bit annoying so far, you guys, we haven't even traveled with this yet, but there are scuff marks already on him. So that's a little bit annoying, but they probably come right out with a magic eraser. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope watching me pack the compression cubes were helpful. I will do a video of packing cubes versus compression cubes for sure, but you guys, organization is key and compression is key. You just want to be able to travel with a half-packed suitcase. I have so much room in this guy in case I buy stuff or whatever I need. So I want to go ahead and be as free as possible with packing and not have to stress. You know, you have an early flight the day that you're going back home. You're already going back home. You're bummed. You don't want to deal with how to possibly stuff everything into a bag. That's just super obnoxious. So anything that you can do to help with that, and to me, packing a half-packed suitcase is always the way to go. So I will go ahead and link the compression cubes that I got on Amazon below. I don't have affiliate links or anything like that. I am not that special. I just honestly want you guys to have a really good time with packing as well. I just want to help. So go ahead and like this video, comment if you have any questions or compliments, and make sure you're subscribed, you guys. We put out videos twice a week. They are either helpful how-to videos or vlogging because we're on the go. So I will be posting from Santa Barbara. I'm gonna go ahead and make a couple of videos. I haven't been to this part of California yet, so I think we're gonna have a really good time. All right, guys, I will see you in California. Bye. Take me out to Thai food.